In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your Claude's conversation to PDF, Word document, Markdown text, and more. So first of all, I want to show you how to export to PDF really quickly because that is really simple. You do not need any software, third-party extensions. All you need to do is just select the Claude conversation you want to export, just collapse it, and then just click anywhere on your Claude screen, and then just click on print. Once you are in print, you can see that this is a really neat format, and it shows your chats and your conversations all in a single PDF, and you just need to select the destination to either Microsoft Print to PDF or save as PDF. Both works, and you can also select the pages or conversations you want manually. So for example, I do not want the bottom conversations. I just want to eliminate the fourth page and just do 1 to 3, and it will automatically just remove the fourth page. And I can also have additional settings. Let's say if I want to print in A4, or I want to add the background graphics so that it has the Claude interface, or I want to have a custom scale. Let's say I want to have a smaller size. You can do all that and then just click save and save in your local files. When you open the PDF, you can see it's really clean. It has all your conversations, including your tables, and very nice formats. This method also works for artifacts in your chat, so you can just open it up, drag it out. So you can just go to the top right corner here and just bring it down, and you can see that your artifacts you can do as a print as PDF, and it will only print your artifact and save it as a PDF. If you want to export as a Markdown file, Word document, or you want to select specific chats in your conversations, then you need a more powerful tool, and that tool is called AI Exporter for your AI chat export. I'll link down in the description, or you can just search it up in your Chrome extension. So I'm using Chrome, so I can install it via Chrome. So I've already installed it. I'll go to my extension and I pin it, and I'll go back to my chats that I want to export and just select it. As you can see, there's a pop-up here, and then it will automatically detect that I am in Claude. You can also use it for ChatGPT, Gemini, but yeah, currently I'm using Claude, and I can quickly export it to PDF, Markdown, Word document. I can also select particular chats I want. I do not need the entire conversation. So as you can see, these are all the chats that I had with Claude, and I can just select whichever I want. Let's say I just want the final chat here, so I can just select it and just click on download PDF or Markdown. So let's just download Markdown here. You can just open your Markdown, and you can see this is in a nice format for your notes or for your Claude co-work. You can also export it as a Word document, text file, JSON file, images, and a PDF. So this is how it looks like when you export your chats via a PDF using this tool. So you can see that it is in very clean format, but there's actually a watermark at the top left corner. So this is the only issue if you're concerned of the watermark. Otherwise, it is pretty clean format. Also, it is a freemium tool, so there's limitations. The free one is $0, the pro is $5. You get to sync to Notion 8 times a day, export PDF 8 times a day. Export to PDF only 3 times a day, Word is 8 times a day, but the rest of them, like save as image, export as Markdown, are unlimited, which is great. If you want to export just a PDF, I recommend to use just the first method. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video and you want more AI tips, make sure to subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.